I'm finna go see if I can get around to the other side. Right there where that drainage pipe is.
Yep. You can. There's a gate straight on the like the very north side.
Sweet.
I might join you in a minute. I don't think
Yeah.
they're here.
They're gonna be down there, man.
Yeah. Today they're out. They've been here though. This is where I've been filming.
Oh, yes. First cast, baby. Oh, that is a nice one, too. Calm down. Oh, yes. That is a nice one. That is a nice one. Yeah, baby. Solid fish right there. First cast in that corner. First cast. This is easily 4 pounds, dude. You want to get a picture of me real quick? And we'll get a weight on there. He smoked it too, man. He hit it real hard.
So you're down here?
No, dude, I'm down there at the end. I literally just tossed it one time in there, man.
Okay.
What do you want to hook him like through the bottom jaw?
Yeah.
Appreciate it, man.
No worries.
All right, let's go get you back in the water, bud.
Yeah, get him in.
Yeah, that's a solid fish, man. Solid fish right there, baby. Solid fish. Ugh. I'm not gonna be able to get down this ledge, so I'm gonna have to kind of toss you down there, bud. Oh, nice one. All right. There we go. Yeah, that's a good one right there. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for right there. Z-Man, baby. Z-Man chatterbait right there. Sexy shad. Look at that. Dude, I just kicked my shoe into the water. My shoe. Dude, I'm so in disbelief right now. I didn't bring anything, dude. I should be able to get it, man, as long as if I can just get my, there we go. Woo! Dude, and that's on video. That's going in my next video. I cannot believe myself right now, man. Unbelievable. Oh my God. Can y'all believe this? Oh my God. Huh?
Squish.
Full of water, man. At least it didn't sink. I gotta redeem myself for that one. Ah, shook me off. He shook me off, man. Well, guys, we had a fairly decent and pretty eventful day today, man. Kicked my shoe into the pond, but I caught a nice 4-pounder. 3.62 pounds, but hey, that's 4 pounds for me, man.
Round up.
We gotta round it up. So I'm out here fishing with my boy, the Texas Lizard. So yeah, I appreciate y'all coming hanging out with me today. We got on a couple, lost one, but hey, it's all good. Till the next video, peace.